Good morning, dear students. Again, welcome back in the fourth part of question based on height and distance. This is question number 10, in which there are two poles of equal height and P is the point lying between them somewhere else. From this point, angle of elevation of the top of pole 1 is 60 degree and pole 2 is 30 degree. Let BD, since BD is equal to 80 meter, and let BP is equal to x, then DP is equal to become 80 minus x. ये आपकी x है, तो ये आपकी 80 minus x होगी. Now we can consider triangle ABP. AB upon BP, when, as I told you, that if there are two right triangle, then either the one common side will be there or any relation will be there. So here the relation is that height of both poles is equal. So we have to calculate the height of each pole. So AB upon BP, base is given or need to be, there is the relation with the base. That's why we take BP. Ratio AB upon BP is equal to 10, angle is 60 degree. So AB, जिसको हमने H लेट कर रखा है, H is equal to BP is X, so X root 3. Now in triangle CDP, now we take CD as the height and PD as the base. So CD upon PD is equal to 1030. CD is H, so H is equal to 8 PD 80 minus X into 1 upon root 3. From equation first and second, X root 3 is equal to 80 minus X upon root 3. Root 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, then it become 3x is equal to 80 minus x. X को ट्रांसफर कर देंगे, get 4x is equal to 80. 80 can be cancelled, get x is equal to 20. Now we can give the answer. So the distance, of pole 1 from P is equal to 20 meter, and distance of pole 2 from P is equal to 80 minus 20 is equal to 60 meter. And he is also asking about the height of the poles. So using first height of pole, height of each pole is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Now the next question. Question number 14. The same, there are two balloons. 1.2 tall girls sports a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at height of 88 point. There are two balloons on the same line. .2 meter tall girl sports a balloon moving with the wind in horizontal line at height of 88.2 meter from the ground. ये इनकी जो हाइट है ये 88.2 मीटर है. This is also at the height of 88.2 meter. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girls at an instant is 60 degree. एक बैलून की जो हाइट है यहाँ पे ये 1.2 मीटर टाल गर्ल्स है, तो इसकी आई से रिलेशन गिवन है, तो ये इसकी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन होगी, तो ये एंगल आपका होगा 60 डिग्री। दिस इज 1.2 मीटर, दिस इज ऑल्सो 1.2 मीटर, दिस इज ऑल्सो 1.2 मीटर, and from the other balloon is reduced when it goes far from this point, so the angle become 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. Balloon first time he was at the position, first position, and then after some time it is will be at the second position, so we have to calculate here x. So in this question, because this is 1.2 meter, total height 88.2 meter, so this height become 87 meter. From this point, this is also 87 meter. From this point, you can give name now. This is P point where the girls is standing. A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So we can consider in triangle ABC, ABP. You can start the solution. As I am telling you that this is the method, that if there are two right triangles, then definitely there will be the relation between both the triangle. So both the triangle have the same height. So to make the relation, we have to calculate x. So to get x, you can subtract PB from PD. So we can calculate PD from the triangle CDP and PB from the triangle ABP. So we consider in triangle, in right triangle CDP. Here we will calculate PD. So PD upon CD is known, become कोट एंगल, इस ट्राइंगल का जो ये एंगल है वो 30 डिग्री होगा, बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट, कोट 30 डिग्री. सो PD इज इक्वल टू CD 87 मीटर है, कोट 30 इज √3. गिव नेम फर्स्ट. नाउ इन राइट ट्राइंगल ABP, यहां पर हम PB फाइंड करेंगे. सो PB अपॉन AB, अगेन रेशियो फॉर कॉट, बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर, एंगल इज 60 डिग्री. AB आपका 87 मीटर है, कॉट 61 अपॉन √3. वी हैव टू रेशनलाइज इट, इक्वल टू 87 √3 अपॉन 3. दिस इज सेकेंड. सो टू गेट BD, since BD is equal to PD minus PB, PD is 87 √3 minus PB is 87 √3 upon 3. 87 √3 can take common, is equal to 87 √3 दोनों के नोमेंटर में है, सो वी कैन टेक इट एज कॉमन. गेट 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन 3. 3 1 जा 3, 3 में से 1 माइनस करेंगे तो 2 इज इक्वल टू 87 √3 इंटू 2 अपॉन 3. 2 कैंसिल कर देगा इसको 29, तो 29 2 जा 58 √3 विल बी द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाय द बैलून. सो एट लास्ट यू कैन गिव रिजल्ट. डिस्टेंस traveled by balloon is equal to 58 √3 meter. Now the next question, 15 question. This was the question number 14. Now we going to consider the 15 question. Question number 15. In this question, state highway leads to foot of a tower. ये कोई हमारा टावर है और ये स्टेट हाईवे है. A man standing at the top of tower. यहां पर आपका ऑब्जर्वर यहां पर पॉइंट, द ऑब्जर्वर इज हियर at the top of the tower. Observe a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. यहां से किसी कार को वो ऑब्जर्व करता है. सपोज दिस इज कार ए, तो यहां से इसको ऑब्जर्व करेगा. सो दिस विल बिकम द लाइन ऑफ साइट एंड दिस इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. सो दिस एंगल बी 30 डिग्री. सो दिस एंगल ऑल्सो बी 30 डिग्री बिकॉज दीज टू आर द अल्टरनेट एंगल्स which is approaching the foot of the tower. The car is moving toward the foot of the tower. So after some time, at a uniform 6 seconds later, तो 6 सेकेंड बाद जब इसको दोबारा once he again observe the car found to be angle of depression at 60 degree. So ये आपका 60 डिग्री एंगल होगा. We can take it here. Nothing is there. Find the time taken by the car to reach foot of the tower from this point. इस पॉइंट से यहां तक उसको कितना टाइम टोटल कंज्यूम हिज टाइम फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट. दिस ए बी द कार सी डी. आप एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे. लेट ए सी डी बी द टावर, ए एंड बी द कार एट पॉइंट ए एंड बी. फ्रॉम सी the man sitting at the top observing the car at the angle of depression 30 degree and 60 degree. Now a right triangle, nothing is there. This is 6 seconds. Now this is the distance. So what we can do, because we have to calculate the time, sorry, the distance to make the relation. So what will be the, let the speed of the car be x meter per second, because distance is second, time is here second, so distance we can take in meter, time and the time taken by the car from B to D is equal to T सेकेंड. यहां से यहां तक उस कार को पहुंचने में T सेकेंड लगते हैं. सो यू नो डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड मल्टीप्लाई बाय टाइम. सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट डिस्टेंस ए बी इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इंटू टाइम. तो स्पीड इज एक्स, टाइम इज 6 सेकेंड इज इक्वल टू 6x and BD is equal to TX. Because we have to consider triangle CDA, so AD distance become, so AD is equal to 6x plus TX. X can take common, so T plus 6 into X. Now we can consider the triangle. Now in right triangle CDA, CD is the common side, so we have to calculate CD from both the right triangle. CD upon BD is equal to, this is perpendicular upon base, get tan 60. So CD is equal to BD हमारा है TX tan 60 root 3. This is first. Now in right triangle, CDA, again you have to calculate CD upon AD is equal to tan 30. So CD upon AD आपका है T plus 6 is equal to T plus 6 into X tan 30 1 upon root 3. This is second. Using first and second, using first and second, we get tx root 3 is equal to x multiply t plus 6 upon root 3. x कैंसिल हो गया, root 3 इधर आकर के when we transfer it in this side you get root 3 3t is equal to t plus 6. t को ट्रांसफर कर देंगे, get 2t is equal to 6, 2 से कैंसिल कर देंगे, so t is equal to 3. So time taken from this point to the foot of the tower, we can give result. So time taken from B to D by the car is equal to 3 seconds. Now the last question, 16th question. Angles of elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 point at distance 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower in the same line with the complementary angles. Height of the tower, AB be the tower. There are 2 points, one is at the 4 meter distance, other is at 9 meter distance. This is A, this is B. Angle of elevation from these 2 points of the top of the tower are complementary to each other. So let this angle be theta, then this angle become 90 minus theta. There are 2 right triangles. Let h be the height of the tower. Solution, question number 16. Let height of tower is equal to h. So in triangle CDA, CD upon AD is equal to CD perpendicular, so we get tan 90 minus theta. So CD is equal to AD आपका 4 मीटर है, tan 90 minus theta become cot theta. CD को हम सेलेक्ट कर लेंगे. This is first in right triangle CDB, H upon BD. This is 9 is equal to tan theta. So H is equal to 9 tan theta. Because we have to find H, so we have to calculate the value of cot theta. तो cot theta के लिए, because we have to calculate H, so we have to eliminate theta. So we have to find the value of cot theta. So we can transfer tan theta को इधर ट्रांसफर कर देंगे, get 1 upon tan theta is equal to 9 upon h. 1 upon tan theta become cot theta is equal to 9 upon h. This is second. Using second in first, so get h is equal to 4 multiply 9 upon h. h को ट्रांसफर कर देंगे, get h square is equal to 36. So h is equal to 6 meter. So height of tower is equal to 6 meter. Thank you.